Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get max level in TMNT Legends. To begin, prioritize completing your daily missions. They offer a consistent stream of experience points and valuable resources. Next, always engage with any ongoing special events. These events often provide unique opportunities to earn bonus experience and character shards, which are crucial for advancing your team. Finally, make sure you are wisely spending your mutagen and training tokens to upgrade your favorite turtles and villains. To further boost your progress, don't hesitate to replay story mode stages. This is an excellent way to farm specific character shards needed for promotions, which directly contribute to higher levels. Joining an active guild is also highly beneficial, as it unlocks exclusive raids and provides daily rewards that accelerate your leveling. Remember to consistently upgrade your dojo and other facilities. They generate passive resources, giving you a steady advantage. Effective resource management is key to reaching max level. It's wise to save your greenbacks for premium packs or essential resource bundles that offer the best value. Don't just spend them impulsively. Strategically promoting your characters is also vital. These promotions unlock powerful new abilities and significantly boost their stats. Always aim to balance your team's levels, ensuring all your main fighters are strong enough to tackle tougher challenges. For advanced leveling, concentrate your resources on a core team of 5 to 7 characters. This focused approach ensures your main fighters become incredibly powerful without spreading your resources too thin. Regularly participate in arena battles. The rewards for higher ranks include valuable items that aid in leveling and promotions. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Keep grinding those levels, and you'll have a maxed out team in no time.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.